So welcome back to part 2 of the my Leaky-Ass trailer and pulling out a side slide wall and putting in good insulation. It was a little tough pulling out the frame. This one actually isn't too bad, but there's staples, and did I mention that? Lots and lots of staples. Look at this one. Woo. Anyway, so that's why you need band-aids. So this wasn't too bad, and once I vacuumed out the rest of the clowns, you could see the bare wall. And I'm surprised that there wasn't that much water damage, let me tell you, compared to the other walls. But anyway, it's the condensation. So, you know, as they have this aluminum, that's it. And then you get clown hair, and then this cheap board. That's it. That's insulation. Woo! Keeping you warm. Not. So, I'm going to now install this. Pink Panther, well, I can't tell you the brand because they're not a sponsor. Anyway, so that insulation is going to fit perfect in here. I'll have to cut it, but it's waterproof, moisture-proof, which is the same thing as waterproof. Mold and mildew, which, as you know, we need that for these damn trailers. And then once that's in, I'm also going to just seal it with rubberized caulking stuff or whatnot. But you can see my slide was pregnant. You leave your slide alone, and yeah, it's pretty bad. So I'm hoping I can at least get it back into shape. I don't know what's going on in there. I can tell you, definitely have found a lot of mice houses, which now I know why the floor is so warm, but I'll get to that later. So this really isn't that bad, but the window, you can move it. It might be a good time to seal it again on the outside. I'm definitely going to reseal it on the inside. Squirt as much of that gooey goo EDM or whatever that sealant is in there. But I'm going to seal it all up, and this way I won't hear anything. The water will get through, and it's going to be solid. Isn't that the point of these pieces of shit going down the road? You want solid, especially the price you pay for them. But there's that. Oh, and yes, I live in my 28-foot Leaky-Ass trailer with 2 cats. So if you can imagine how difficult it is to live and work and remodel in this small space. So, God, I feel for you guys that have families and kids and lots of people living with you on the road, because oh my God, I just get in my own way. So I don't, probably a whole lot of people out there really sad that they don't know what they got themselves into. But anyway, that's none of my business at this moment, because I've got to put the foam core in, so I will show you a shot of that once it's all put in there.